indexing is at the heart of every efficient document management system. At its core, indexing is data about data, the process of attaching key information, or metadata, to every document so it can be quickly found when you need it most. Think of metadata as smart labels or tags, document type, date, client name, or reference number. These labels become the clues your system uses to point you directly to the right file. Much like a book index doesn't contain the whole story, but leads you to the exact page, document indices guide you straight to the information you're searching for. With advanced OCR, or Optical Character Recognition, even the text inside scanned files is extracted, making documents instantly searchable by keywords. Index fields are customized to your business needs, ensuring every file has the right details attached. Now pair this with digitization. Scanning turns stacks of paper into electronic files, but without indexing, they're just digital piles of documents. Indexing transforms them into a powerful, searchable digital library. Instead of digging through folders and opening files one by one, you simply type in a client name, invoice number, or keyword, and the right file appears in seconds. The results? Faster operations, reduced human error, easier compliance, and an audit-ready digital archive. At Infobuilder Technologies, we deliver end-to-end digitization solutions, from professional document scanning to intelligent document indexing, designed to be accessible and affordable for businesses that want to cut costs, save time, and focus on growth. Got documents to digitize and index? Visit us at infobuilder.ph.